This could be the car for you. The 2020 Toyota RAV4. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer. Take a closer look at this compact and rugged Toyota RAV4, the distinctive crossover that maximizes safety, comfort, and efficiency. You'll love its driver assistance tech, refined cabin, and infotainment system. With its suspension tuned for agility, this SUV adds confidence and fun to every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, fog lamps, electronic stability control, heated front seat. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.